Hi dear everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. In this video we are going to discuss how to generate the prime numbers between any given two numbers by using Python programming. So first of all, what is the prime number? So the number which is greater than 1 and don't have any factors else itself, it is called as a prime number. So first of all, take the two values. So first value I am going to consider as initial value. So it is initial value I am taking. So it is a int value. So int. So I am giving the value as input by using input method. So input. So enter the initial value. Now take another value as final value. So by the same process by using the input method. So let's consider that value is final. So it is also int value. So consider it is a final value. Now take one empty list. So for collecting all prime numbers after applying certain process from initial value to final value. Now I am going to check all the values from initial value to final value. So which are prime numbers? So that values I am going to add into empty list. So it is a empty box, nothing but. Okay. So now apply the for loop for number in range from initial to final value. So up to final, so take +1. So here again recall the what is the prime number. So prime number should greater than 1. So if the number is greater than 1, then apply for loop. So for loop I value in two comma number. Now again recall the prime number definition. So prime number don't have any factors as itself. Suppose 11 is a prime number and it don't have any factors. That means less than 11 means from 1 to 10 values don't be act as a factor to 11. That means it does not give remainder 0. Suppose if the remainder is equal to 0, it is not a prime number. So I am going to use that logic here. So if number percentage, nothing but it gives remainder. So if it is equal to 0, it is not a prime number. So consider that. Now if it is equal to 0, just apply the break option. Next, here I am going to use for else loop. Else this condition is not satisfied. So it is nothing but it is a prime number. So then add that value into empty list. So a dot append this number value. Okay. So from initial value to final value, we are going to check one by one value. So that is a number. So if it is not equal to 0, so then we are going to add into empty list. So here we are going to collect all the prime numbers. Okay. So here add that number. So suppose if it is equal to 0, so it will be just break. Again take the another value and again apply the same process. Okay. Until if it is not equal to 0, so then we will get that value into empty list. So these are the list of prime numbers. Now I am going to print. So here I am going to print the total number of prime numbers from initial to final value. So it gives length of the list, means total prime numbers. So next we are going to print all the prime numbers. Now here I am going to print numbers from initial to final value or a. Anything but this is a complete list of prime numbers. Now I am going to run the program. So first of all, enter the initial value as here input method. I am going to here apply here. So here enter the input value. So let's consider that 1. Next final value consider as 1000. Now enter. So the total number of prime numbers from 1 to 1000 are 168 prime numbers are there. So the prime numbers from 1 to 500 thousands are is 2, 3, 5, 7. So this is the list of prime numbers. So just scroll it like this. We'll get all the list of prime numbers from 1 to 1000. But how many prime numbers are there? Means totally 168 prime numbers are there from 1 to 1000. And this is the way of programming. Suppose if you want 1 to 100. So enter instead of 1 and enter final value 100. We'll get totally 25 prime numbers are there. So this is the list of prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So like this we are getting up to 100. Okay, and this is the process of coding. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you.